welcome back to Beemer Fam. You guys join us inside the straight pipe BMW M4 out here on a beautiful morning in Los Angeles. Today we have a super exciting video. We're going to chase a lot of hypercars, including SME 150s, Zenvo, a McLaren Senna GTR, and even more. So our first stop is the Fuel Run starting grid in Malibu. We'll be rallying from Malibu all the way up to Monterey, which is about 4 to 5 hour drive. So let's go ahead and pull up to the first location. Ladies and gentlemen, you guys join us back on the road inside the M4. And today will be the first video where we're using these new Carbontastic paddle shifters that are magnetic. I mean, just listen to this. So we're about a half hour away from the Fuel Run starting grid. That's a rally that's going from Malibu all the way up to Monterey. Since it's car week, today is the first day. So oh my god, look at this morning commuting traffic, man. It's about 8 in the morning right now. Oh, I hate that. Luckily we're bypassing that somehow. Oh, never mind. We are right in the middle of it. Oh my god. There we go. Finally got out the traffic a little bit. It's still pretty bad though. Oh my god. Another tunnel. Oh my god, dude. As you can see, we have the M4 parked up. Man, there goes Shmi and his Zenvo. Wow. We're at the starting grid for the Fuel Run rally from Malibu to Monterey. So let's check out some of these cars. So as you can see, we have a nice misty day out here in Malibu, but some of these cars are even better than the setting. We got a Murcielago, a wide body 911. Just look at the interior of this thing. Wow. Check out this R34 GTR right-hand drive. Wow, this is just beautiful. Of course, my favorite is definitely the back end of these cars. So iconic. And there goes the Zenvo. That thing looks pretty good rolling. Hopefully we can get some footage of this thing on the road. Gotta say, there's some nice BMW M cars here as well. F90 M5 Comp, Dodge Merida F80 M3, even the 335s over here as well. But look at this 458. Got Boston wheels on it. It's beautiful. Look at the color on this F90 M5 Comp, BBS wheels. Gorgeous. Got a McLaren pulling in.
Oh yeah. It's gonna have you back in right next to the Gladiator. Yeah.
I'll tell you what's nice. You got the whole city of Malibu, all these nice cars, and right here you got the Pacific Ocean. Wow. 911 GT3s, the brand new ones. Man, I gotta say, love the blue. I'm probably taking the yellow on this after seeing Eric's GT3 RS. Look at the color on this Performante. It's almost like a pinkish purple. This is really nice. There's even more cars pulling in, including that nice GT3 with a huge wing on. I actually think we saw this car the other day, riding with it on the road out in OC. Now we can see the Zenvo up close in the flesh. I mean, everything, including the wheels, is carbon fiber. And here you can see the rear end of the Zenvo. Huge wing. This thing actually moves left and right. Also, look at the exhaust. I really like the styling of this car. But look at this. This is a McLaren Senna GTR. There's a regular Senna over there. You kind of see the difference. All the aero, the wing is massive, even more carbon fiber. You see the windows are plexiglass as well. This thing is wild. Just look at the front end of the car with the carbon wheels, the brakes, just all that aero. It's unreal. And not to mention, I mean, just check out the cockpit on this thing as well. It's a full race car mode. Got some of those seats. Must say these never get old. The styling of these have aged so well, even with these deep dish wheels. It's one of my favorite cars ever made. So if you guys aren't familiar with how this works, this is technically a mini rally. We're gonna be convoying all of these cars from here in Malibu all the way up to Monterey, which is about a 4-hour drive since Car Week starts today. We're not gonna be going up to Monterey today. We're actually gonna be going up there Friday. So we're gonna ride with the crew just a little bit for a while to capture some of these cars on the road. If you guys aren't familiar with what a rally is, you pretty much pay a flat fee. That'll get you inside the door. It also gets you some meals, some experiences along the rally. But more importantly, it'll also get you a livery, so you'll put the nice appropriate stickers on the car and everybody just rides out together. It's kind of like a dream come true. So we must have missed this one pulling in. Look at the color combo. I really like this shade of blue. Also combined with the yellow and the white accents. This is nice. You can see over here they even bought the mobile detailing in case you want to get your car cleaned up before the drive. This McLaren 675 LT has Dubai Arabian plates on the front of it, so it's crazy to think people are actually shipping cars across the world just to participate in Car Week out in Monterey. I mean, you got people from London, Dubai, Canada, and even more. And there goes the M4 CSL.
What are you doing here?
Tell you what, all the supercars are nice, but it would be nice to rally in this type of car. A Rolls Royce, I believe it's a Ghost. Super luxurious, super comfortable. Also has the power to keep up. Oh my God. So pulling in is a Mirage GT or Gambala. Wow. Damn, and right next to has a 918 Spider as well. There's a nice R8 V10 pulling to get some feel for the head out. That purple M5 is incredible. Those turbos spooling too. All right, so we're back in the M4. Everybody's starting up their engines. So let's capture these cars on the road. Oh my God. Ladies and gentlemen, look at these cars right here. Oh my God. Oh my God. Wow, what a squad. He's driving a race car on the street, guys. Oh my God. Wow. There goes Shmi in a Zenvo. Unreal, these cars. Oh my God. That thing looks wild. Just look at the wing on it. That's insane. Man, look at the views out here too, the Malibu canes. Wow. What was that? That hurt my ears. Whatever car that was, that sounded incredible. Unreal, these cars. That's just holding your ears. E92. Also like the livery on this car as well. E92 sounds good. Valvetronic. I'm not gonna lie, this Tesla's a little annoying. Just cause why? I will say the M4 sounded good too. Wow, just look at this thing, man. So epic. This might be my favorite car. There's that Mirage GT, but working so well. So I guess this is what Car Week is all about, man. This is the time of year where you see literally the most rare cars on the planet. Porsche sounds pretty cool. I'm sure this Lexus is like, oh my god, what the hell is going on right now? Oh, I love it. This is what I live for, ladies and gentlemen. Cars like this, sceneries like this, weather like this. It can't get better than this. That blew my eardrum out. Man, just look at the rear view mirror. I don't know if you guys can see that, but that McLaren Senna GTR, yeah, it has the most road presence out of any car in this rally. Man, I just gotta say, the sights out here in Malibu canyons, I mean, these mountains go up for us literally as far as the eye can see. So that means the sound is gonna sound incredible. We have a tunnel coming up, so hearing these cars in them, it's gonna be unreal. Let's hear it. Oh my goodness. I love this. Unbelievable. Man, I tell you what, it's gonna be crazy to see these cars hit the freeway. Only God knows what's gonna happen. Wow. Look at the wing go up on that McLaren. Oh, E92 going sideways. Oh! Man, look, there goes the Zenvo once again. This 675 LT has some kind of Arabic plates. It might be Royal plates, to be honest. If you guys know what kind of license plate those are, let me know. Wow, and Shmi's car is spitting flames. Oh no. Man, it was 70 degrees, by the Ocean. It's already 95 degrees, man. It's gotten hot. Seems we found the BMW crew, the E92 M3 from Valvetronic. Nice 135 tuned up and a G82. BMW drives always the most aggressive on these kind of drives. Oh man. And again, man, these paddle shifters, the magnetic, so satisfying. Look at that. That is nice. Sounds awesome. I will say the Zenvo looks so good. Tell you what, this car is pretty good on gas until you start accelerating. That needle has dropped. We had half a tank. We're already at like an eighth of tank, man. So sick. We'll let some of these cars pass. Unreal. It's a nice McLaren. Just like that, you guys join us here with the M4 out here in Golden Hour in Porter Ranch. We went ahead and grabbed some gas and we decided to take a nice scenic stop on the way home with the M4. I mean, look at this view. We've got the sun glazing off the mountains in the back. Then it opens up into the whole valley out here. Prime golden hour. I mean, this is gorgeous. You can even see the moon right there. I love how it goes from blue to the moon and fades into like a sherbet orange. Incredible. All these mountains out here, multi-million-dollar homes, and you even got the highway right there. You can do some nice car spotting as well. But on that note, it'll pretty much do it for today's video. I just want to talk a little bit about what we just experienced in this video. We saw some really cool cars. Ever since I was like 8 or 10 years old, ever since the Mirage GT came out, I've really been looking at that car on the internet. I remember somebody posted a video chasing that car through Laurel Canyon in LA, kind of by Mulholland Drive in the Hollywood Hills. And he was in an M4 driving that car. I think it was F-Spot. And ever since then, not only have I wanted to own an M4, but I've always wanted to be around these kind of cars, chasing them down in this car. So, but not only was that Mirage GT cool, that McLaren Senna GTR was absolutely insane. I mean, that's a bona fide multi-million-dollar race car just driving on the streets. And obviously Shmee 150 himself, Tim, all the way over from the UK, shipped his car over here to the US to really enjoy it on California roads. I think that's just so cool. The M4, you know, is right amongst those kind of cars. And then you got all the supercars in between, the 675 LT, 600 LTs, Ferraris. I mean, you pretty much name it was on this rally. Really cool experience. But not only to see and hear these cars, to feel them in person, it's just a whole nother vibe. So, and then everybody at the meet was cool as well. It's just a really fun, kind of getting to experience a mini rally with these kind of cars. You also had the BMW cars pulling out pretty strong as well. The E92 M3 from Valvetronic, the G82 M4 Comp, and some other nice wild cards in there as well. So you guys are going to have to let me know, what was your favorite car from today's video? We've been driving this thing a lot lately, and we have a lot more driving to do with this thing. So in the next few videos, we're going to be taking this thing up to Monterey for Car Week. Really getting to enjoy a road trip with this thing. We get to capture some of the fuel consumption, just the overall living with capabilities of an F82 M4. So if you guys want to see anything particular on the next upcoming videos, make sure you comment right now. We can also see the interior. I gotta say, the Alcantara steering wheel in this car is holding up so nice from Carbontastic. I'm really impressed with the quality of that steering wheel. Really cool angle is this profile angle as well. Sitting here nice and down low. Look at that. If you guys enjoyed, make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Check us out on Instagram at Beemer Fam. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.